So, Ronald, I have just a couple of questions about your experience at the intensive pool clinic this weekend. First of all, you believe that the structure of the course and the information that we presented will help you in your pool journey? Yes, it was very helpful. Very helpful. Okay. Secondly, about the instructors, uh, did you find that they were in general professional, meaning they were able to deliver the content, answer your questions, and help you at your table? Yeah, very nice, very knowledgeable, very professional. Great. Thank you. Lastly, do you feel like you got good value for your client? Yes, but I want to find this thing. And it's really like drinking from a fire. In just 2 days, what we can I have science as retained. Well, and of course, you can always come again. It's a lot cheaper the second time. We have many pool players who come, every year or two just for a refresher and to continue to hone their skills. Thank you very much, Ron. We've enjoyed having you.